Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, all. I welcome you all to this last session of the fifth day of the 5-day AICTE Atal sponsored faculty development program on damage tolerance, a new design strategy. Dear participants, we are in the final session called as the valedictory session of the faculty development program. It gives me immense pleasure at this moment to invite you all on this occasion. The program, I'm going to begin with a report. And after the report of the faculty development program is done, I would request some of the participants to come forward and give their feedback about the course, which will help us in improving when we make next attempt of conducting similar course in future. So please be very frank and honest in giving your feedback. And I promise you that I will definitely take some of your suggestions and will try to improve in future if there are requirements. Okay, so that is one thing. After another thing is, after this is, once your feedback is over, I would request Professor Gajre to briefly give some instructions regarding the test that is to be conducted as a mandatory part of this faculty development program. And after that, I'll propose vote of thanks. And that's how we'll finish the program. So this was the, plot. Now, we would like to begin with the report of the 5-day faculty development program. I must tell you at the onset that the response to this course initially, when I proposed the title, I was not that worried. But later on, I realized that, fracture mechanics is a very specific area. And I was worried whether, I will have sufficient number of applications, candidates applying for the program. So with that apprehension, we were spending some time and we saw that the numbers went on increasing. In spite of being a very narrow area of solid mechanics, I saw that on the last day of registration, there were about 90, to be specific, 88 people from over 14 states of India who applied for this course. And there were totally, out of 88, we approved 78 people for the program because other 10 people were not eligible as per the guidelines of AICTE. And I saw that, most of the time, the attendance of the participant was good. And, that particularly has made the program a success. Without audience, any such program, cannot become a successful one. So, that's what is about, the background of the applicants. I must tell you that some of the applicants are from National Institute of Technology. One of the applicants is actually a PhD student at one of the IITs also. Many people are there from state engineering colleges and other colleges all over the country. So it's a good mix. We have one participant from Assam also and another one from Kerala also. So it's, across the whole length and width of the country, we have participants for the program. Okay, so let me briefly present to you the report of the faculty development program, which you have already undergone. The faculty development program began with a session on introduction to fracture mechanics by Professor S.K. Maiti, and on the first day. And on the same day, the second session was actually delivered by Sri Gajanan Sadekar on failure analysis from L&T. So that gave us a feel for how fracture related problems are solved in industry. Okay, after listening to the introduction from Professor Maiti. In the third session of the day, the last session of the day, Dr. Nelson presented his presentation on Irwin's plastic zone correction and Dugdale's model. And he gave a very vivid presentation, even after a technical problem that was faced due to disconnection of Dr. Nelson with the meeting. But, he kindly agreed to deliver the lecture in the afternoon session after a break. And the lecture went successfully till its end. And, all the participants expressed that the lecture was actually a good one. On the second day, 2 sessions were delivered by Professor Maiti on topic crack tip stress field determination. He was supposed to take the session 1 and 2 of the day, but because of again some connectivity related problem and technical issues, we had to postpone his session, both sessions in the afternoon session, and the third session was to be delivered then in the place of the first session. The third session was to be delivered by me, so I actually came in and I delivered my first session on fatigue crack growth on that day. The second and third sessions were of the day were actually the shifted sessions of Professor Maiti from the morning time, and he talked to us about the crack tip test field stress field determination, giving us the analytical idea of how the crack tip stress field can be calculated by using various analytical methods. Okay. Then on the third day, we had again the session by Professor S.K. Maiti in the morning when he talked to us about analytical determination of the stress intensity factor, and he presented to us various methods for it. And followed by that, one more session he took on the same day. Third day, second session was on crack opening displacement and J integral parameters, which actually were brought in by him to give us the feel for what is called the elastic plastic fracture mechanics. Okay. Then on the third day, the last session was given by Dr. Nilesh Riker on finite element method based determination of stress intensity factors. And then we entered into the fourth day. On the fourth day, Professor Maiti gave his last session on mixed mode criteria, and he gave us the feel for what is called as a mixed mode. And he presented to us various theories which can help us determine in which direction the crack will initiate and propagate if the crack tip is subjected to mixed mode loading, which can be a combination of opening and sliding mode, for example, or for that matter, any two modes of fracture out of 3. Okay. After his opening presentation on that day, the next session was actually delivered by Mr. Sagar Chandra from BARC on mechanisms of failure and damage at atomic level. It was a very interesting presentation, and it gave us a brief journey into a smaller world at lower level. And we saw that fracture mechanics and its ideas can be actually useful in understanding the damage mechanics also at the smaller scale. After his presentation, the third presentation of that day was given by me on fracture toughness testing. So with that, our fourth day was over. On the fifth day, that is today morning, we heard a presentation, very interesting presentation on elimination of stress or stress elimination by Gurudev Shri Amol Wagleji, who is an international teacher from Art of Living Society. After his interesting session for 2 hours, there was a session from a faculty member from abroad, Dr. Raman Maiti. Dr. Raman Maiti gave us a presentation on failures in orthoscopic implants and explained us how fracture mechanics can be also applied to, understanding the damage that occurs in various components of an implant. He particularly discussed with us the fracture that can occur between 2 interfaces in which cement is generally inserted when implants are inserted into human bodies. After that presentation for 1 hour, in the second session of the day, 1 more hour was to be was remaining to be completed, and I took the last session on how finite element analysis, a commercial software, can be used for determination of stress intensity factor. So with this, there were totally 14 sessions. Okay, there were totally 14 sessions, excluding the session on stress elimination. So AICTE expects that there should be 13 sessions of 2 hours and 1 session on mind and health issues. Therefore, instead of 13 technical sessions, we had 14 sessions because we split 1 2-hour session into two. One was given by Dr. Raman Maiti, as I said, from Loughborough University, and the second session was given by me. Thus, you have heard totally 15 sessions in last 5 days, and these proceedings of the course today have brought us to this moment where we have all gathered here for the valedictory function. So, with this brief report of the proceedings of the course, faculty development program, now I want to make the platform open for recording feedback of some of the participants so that we can make some improvements if we happen to arrange any program in future of similar type or offline type also. Okay. So may I request now the participants to come forward one after another quietly and give their feedback briefly and objectively. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sunil.
I would like to present my feedback.
Please.
Good afternoon, everybody, the coordinators of the program and all my participating colleagues. I would like to thank Dr. Naik and Dr. Professor Gajre to start with for arranging such a wonderful, informative short-term training program related to fracture mechanics. Personally, I benefited a lot from this particular program, as I am also working in this particular field for my doctoral work. Talking about this particular program, it is always a pleasure to speak to Dr. Maiti, because what contents he delivers always feels like I am in his class and attending his lectures. So much knowledge he delivers in his sessions, and this time we were very fortunate to listen to him for six different sessions. Our pleasure to listen to you, Dr. Maiti sir. Then Sadekar sir, as always, brings the industrial problems for discussion, and after listening to him, it was for a teacher like me, when we explain that to students, that industry actually needs basics of mechanical engineering in their problem solving, and fracture mechanics, when I speak to my students, it is like we have not studied how this is applied, but then when we listen to Sadekar sir, it is really worth listening to him, because he presents the real life problems and how he tackled them. Then sessions from Dr. Nelson, session from Dr. Naik, especially fracture toughness testing, session on fracture toughness testing, they were really very useful.
Thank you.
Then there was a session by Dr. Riker, who spoke about FEA. There were so many things which we could understand how actually finite element is used to solve such problems. Then there was a session by Sagar Chandra. He really presented how the damage mechanisms at atomic level people are working on. So that was also a good thing to know. Then from the session from Raman Maiti sir, we could understand how this fracture mechanics theory can be applied to the medical science also. So that was another eye-opening session, where we come to know things are being at what level things people are working on. Then there was a session by Gurudev Amol Wagale ji. That session took us to extremely different level altogether. The importance of taking things, how things are to be taken in real life, how professional life is to be managed. So in all, it was the program was really very helpful. So therefore, I wish to extend my thank to AICT as well as VJTI for carrying out this program for all of us, and my sincere thanks to the coordinators, Dr. Naik sir and Professor Gajre sir. So they allowed us to be part of this particular program. And last not but least, I wish to thank all the participants, participating colleagues who made the sessions very interactive. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil Pansare, for the very objective feedback. Yeah. Anybody else who would like to give some constructive suggestions and briefly tell us? Yeah, please, Dr. Sanjay Rukande.
Yeah, thank you, sir. First of all, thank you very much, sir, and congratulations, Mike, sir, and Gajra, sir. Really, it was a very nice program, very well planned and organized. Topic selection and expertise selection were really very good, and listening to them was really worthy. And the takeaway from this program really will help us in our teaching as well as in our research activity. And yes, in curriculum, I think this fracture mechanics is not yet gained that much popularity as machine design is. So yeah, some case studies also we were expecting, but yeah, after this Raman Maiti sir's lectures, we found that yes, it is already there, and we could use that for research and all. Yeah. So thank you, sir, very much. Entire program was very well planned and very well executed. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rukhande, for your objective and positive feedback.
Thank you.
The calculations, using FEM are also very easy. If you slowly pick up certain things and continue, it's not very difficult to start doing at least the finite element analysis to begin with, as I said earlier also. Okay, best of luck. Anyone else? There are two participants who are writing their feedback in the chat box. Maybe I can read it for them. One is Mr. Chandan V. I don't mind if they talk, but if they are not willing to talk, I can read. Are you willing to talk, Mr. V. Chandan? All right, I'll read it. Sir, the FDP was very organized. It's really nice to listen to such experienced speakers. I can say that my time invested in the FDP was really fruitful. Thank you for wonderful FDP. Looking forward for such activities organized by Sachin sir. I hope he is pointing at me. Then another participant is there. Thank you, Mr. Chandan, for your positive feedback. I am happy that your time was really invested in a good activity, and I feel that then my time has also been invested in a good activity when people benefit. Thank you so much. There is another participant, one Mr. Hassan Saab Jamadar. If you want to talk, it's fine. I don't mind. Otherwise, I'll read. Mr. Jamadar, Professor Jamadar. Okay. It's my pleasure to have such FDP that is too in my field of interest. Okay, great. Thank you. You are working in the area of fracture mechanics. All right, good. Thank you for the most informative session. I would like to thank VJTI coordinators for organizing such FDP. Looking forward for such activities in future. Once again, I am thankful to the organizing committee. Thank you, Mr. Hassan Saab Jamadar, for giving feedback and appreciating what efforts we have taken. I have a personal feeling that my personal gain in organizing the FDP is limited to the extent that whatever fracture mechanics I know, there are some gaps in understanding at small places here and there. I listen to every word that is spoken by the experts, during the session. Some of you observed that, thanks to them. And I try, even if I got those small gaps filled up, I am happy. I am very happy. Second, my important satisfaction, more than my own satisfaction, is that I feel that, it is very difficult. I mean, nowadays it is relatively easier, but in earlier time, it was very difficult to even get to see IIT professors. Nowadays, there is NPTEL and, there are some online programs here and there, and you get to listen to them. But, when I was a graduating student, oh my God, there was no opportunity to even think of listening to an IIT professor. And, we got subsequently some opportunities whereby we could interact with them very closely. We are fortunate for that. Okay. So, but, maybe all are not enough fortunate, or all may not get opportunity in the early, part of their life to listen to such knowledgeable professors from IIT, so that, they can also derive some motivation from their way of explanations, their way of understanding, way of presentation, and, make attempts to become better in future. So I thought that if such people get benefited from a course like this, it would be really great. And that service for the teaching community, I'm very happy to do. And if at all you have some satisfaction of listening to such people, I will be really happy that I could do something for the participants. Dr. Shanmuga, you have written something. Would you like to speak? Would you like to give some feedback, Dr. Shanmuga?
Okay, sir. I spent only 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you for the opportunity to share my view of feedback about this program, sir. So, all the sessions I would like to share my view about that my program, and every sessions I communicate my view. And instead of some, for example, Professor Maiti sir, you present the topic right from 9 o'clock to evening 1:30. Continually, the presentation is going on. I don't know how much potential we have in the Maiti sir. Right, it's a normally online program. 1 hour or 2 hours is very much difficult to share the classes. So maybe our age is maybe in 74 or 75. Yeah, so so I very much appreciate it to the Maiti sir. Please convey my congratulations to the people, sir. Please, it is very much things will be having from the Maiti sir. And some continue 9 to 1:30. 10-day program is fully in mathematical relationship work. So continuously he is explain the topic is very good, and without any tiredness and without any the face will not be there. If any doubts will be asking directly, immediately to respond from him. So this is very appreciated, that attitude and everything, sir. So, and I would like to the gap is there. Only one is some video presentation is not reflected in some sessions, because we are fully in theoretical oriented. We studied. We could not understand the topics. Some sessions, some things. So that session will be gap filled by any video presentation. We could easily understand what is happening in this fracture mechanics. So that's the one thing, sir, we would like to tell you this through this program, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Because the last day only I will register my things. Immediately you accept my invitation, and you is very much thanks for all the coordinators and Sudarshan sir also. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. It's our pleasure to have you in the meeting, in the program, and thank you for your feedback. See, when we are presenting online, and when some videos are to be included, it may not be that conducive for the particular, connectivity, kind of connectivity which is available. And also, all the experts may not actually tend to think about that. But it's a good suggestion. I agree with you. Had it been an offline course, I am sure some of them would have shown videos. I am really sure. But in online mode, it is little tricky and different because of the connectivity and this computer related issues. So maybe perhaps some videos have not been shown for that reason. But yes, I take it as a very constructive suggestion, and I'll see to it that in future we will be if we conduct any course, I'll take care of your suggestion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. There are some more suggestions, some more messages in the chat box. I'll read them. I assume that those people are not interested in speaking, perhaps that's why they are writing. One Professor Dilip Patel is saying that, sir, the FDP is very beneficial for we people. Thank you. Then thank you, Professor Patel. Then there is another participant, Mr. Mandeep Singh. He says that really very good and informative FDP. Thank you very much, Team VJTI. It's our pleasure. Thank you, Mr. Mandeep Singh.
Sir, I
Next,
would like to add, sir, if you don't mind.
yeah, just a minute. I'll ask you. Mr. Ashish Singh is another person. He writes that I am very much interested in fracture mechanics area. Currently, I am doing PhD in fracture mechanics, especially mechanisms of failure and damage at atomic level session given by Mr. Sagar. Yes, everybody will agree, that session was really fantastic and amazing. And I am very happy that, we have one more member of the community who works in the area of fracture mechanics. I wish you a great success for your PhD efforts and, a bright future thereafter. Now, next feedback is given by Mr. Girish Tembare, and he is willing to talk. So I request Professor Girish Tembare to give his feedback.
Hi, sir. I'm myself Girish Tembre. I'm faculty in Mechanical Engineering Department, VJTI. I really thankful to coordinators Dr. S.S. Naik and Sudarshan Gajre for giving opportunity to attend this FTV program. And I would like to specially thanks to Professor S.K. Maiti at this level. He has lots of energy to give and deliver the lecture, and we are very thankful to him. And as a coordinator, Dr. S.S. Naik has lead this program whenever there was technical problem or any other problem was there. So I thank you to you also, sir. And it was very nice program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. There are other 2-3 participants, Dr. Nitin Kharche, Mrs. Meenakshi Shinde, and Dr. K. Dilip Kumar, who are also saying that, the program was wonderful, very useful, informative, and beneficial. Okay, so, and there is one little longer feedback which I'll read. Mr. Professor Ashish Singh is there. He says that I am very much interested in fracture mechanics area. Currently, I am doing PhD in fracture mechanics, especially, it is the same thing perhaps. So he writes further that fatigue crack growth session given by Sachin Naik sir is very much important. Thank you very much, Mr. Ashish Singh, for your compliments. Thank you very much. If there is anyone who would like to speak, please come forward, because reading from that would not make, that impact as speaking does. Therefore, 1 or 2 more feedbacks and maybe we can close the session.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Prashant.
Yeah, thank you for this nice session. So, whatever the sessions VJTI arranges, so most probably I attend all the FDPs related to VJTI. And really, Professor S.K. Maiti sir and yourself has explained very informative sessions. Obviously, it was not my field, but I'm interested in this field as well. These sessions were very good. I'm thankful to whole VJTI team, as well as my friend, my colleague, Professor Gajre also, my friend as well. So I request to arrange such sessions in future as well and inform to us from time to time to attend such sessions. Thank you very much.
Sure, Professor Prashant. You must note that we had conducted one online course in the month of September last year, and I made it a point to send information to all those participants who attended the earlier program, and I don't know how many of them have joined in this course too. But in future, if we arrange any program of similar type, I would definitely let you know. As I said earlier also, no particular area of subject can actually remain in seclusion. The more we learn, the more we understand the connection between our area and the new area. Therefore, it is always good to enter into other areas and have a look at it, whether it is interesting or not, by attending similar faculty development programs, which not only enrich our knowledge, but also help us in making our lectures with our students more definite and informative. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Welcome.
Sir,
Anyone else?
Naik sir. Yeah. So Prashant Matkari sir was there for our last FDP also.
Acha. Oh,
yeah.
okay,
So he got the mail, and that's what reason he was saying that you should mail if there is any program in the future.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
We will definitely continue to do that. Yes,
Yeah.
Professor Johnson.
Yes, sir. I want to speak something. My name is Johnson, and some of the topics I felt it was really helpful to me, and I learned a lot of things. For example, topic like failures of orthopedic implants, crack tip stress field solutions, and of course the ANSYS solution that you solved. So it gave me a greater insight. I felt like that when I registered for this course, I was not very sure how would it help me, but I feel now that my time was well utilized, and I want to thank you, both of your coordinators, Professor Sachin Naik and Professor Sudarshan Gajre, for taking this whole session very wonderfully and in a very systematic manner. I could also find some of my professors also, so it was very nice to hear from them. So I want to just thank you for giving me that opportunity.
You are
Thank you, sir.
welcome. It is our pleasure to have you in the course. Is there anybody else who wants to give a quick feedback? It's 3:05 now. Somebody is there? I heard something.
Yes, sir. Sharad,
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Sharat Chandra Patil. Yes, please.
sir, thank you, sir. Actually, this is the first for me. The program is because I am aware about the fatigue fracture and the fracture mechanics little bit, but because of this new topic, that is damage tolerance and new design strategy, which is the catchy, I can say, the title of this program. So this is the one motivation, because what I can attend, apply for this. And another thing is, because of this program, it is another opportunity to hear again the Maiti sir and the Riker sir. So I'm thankful, sir, to you, because you shortlisted me for attending this program. Another thing is, sir, here there is a combination of academicians, industrialists, and scientists also. So I can say there is a balancing of all these particular areas. So I am very much thankful to the AICT, VJTI, and Dr. Naik sir, because to arrange this such a programs and also shortlisted me. And as usual, the program is well planned and they executed. Thank you, sir. Really, this is beneficial for me to teaching the subject in this particular area. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sharat Chandra Patil, for your good, nice feedback. I must tell you that, on first and second day, I was very uneasy because of the internet connectivity issues, which were faced by Dr. Nelson from IIT Guwahati and Professor S.K. Maiti of IIT Bombay. And because of that, I was really very, very uneasy and disappointed. But, after that, subsequently in next 3 days, things went almost all right, and there was no problem except small things here and there, which is okay. Small problems are always there in life. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about them. But then, if when you are conducting a program, and when all these internet things and technical problems are in place, I mean, they are out of place, and they are not in the picture, things can really go smoothly, and then everybody enjoys. But I am happy that most of the part of the program took place very smoothly, and participants could get benefited. Friends, whenever we are spending our time for any activity, we have to ensure that either the other person from whom I am spending the time should get benefited, or I must get benefited from the time I am spending for that activity. So whenever you are attending, of course, you are taking out time from your other schedule, and therefore you must ensure that you learn the maximum possible and you get maximum possible benefit from the courses when you become participant of such faculty development programs. Thank you. I think, it's already 3:10. It's time we can actually close the feedback session now. And before we proceed further, there are 2 more things remaining, as I said. Before we proceed further, I would like to request Professor Gajre to give some instructions to all the participants about the online test that they will have to take after this program is over. So over to Professor Gajre.
Related to examination, as I said in the introductory session itself, that the test will consist of 20 objective questions, and the duration of the test will be 1 hour. Okay, so you'll get 1 hour to finish the test, which is entirely objective based, and the link will be provided to you through an email, as well as we'll post it on the WhatsApp group. So that's related to the examination.
Okay. Thank you, Professor Gajre. I think, after the valedictory program, we will take a short break of 15 minutes, and I'll announce the time towards the end, of course, taking into account at what time we close. Okay. Thank you very much, Professor Gajre, for your instructions. Last but not the least, is the vote of thanks. Provide us on email. Somebody writes, yes, we are going to email you the link also, so that, you can use the information from there also. Okay. So, last but not the least, the most important part of any activity is, to propose, and communicate your thankfulness and gratitude to those who helped you. Okay. And it is indeed a very, very proud moment for me when I am here before you to propose the vote of thanks. Okay. I propose, my first and the foremost thanks to AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, for providing me this opportunity to come to arrange this kind of faculty development programs, which has not only benefited the participants, but which has benefited me also as far as the the contents of the FDP are concerned. So I am indeed very, very thankful to AICTE in general, and in particular the innovative Atal Academy program for providing Atal Academy program that AICTE has started recently. AICTE has provided me, of course, the opportunity to be instrumental in bringing the participants from all over the country with the subject experts for learning, training, and interaction. Thank you very much. I take this opportunity also to thank authorities of AICTE in the central office in New Delhi for providing all necessary help and guidance in organizing the course. I was communicating with many queries with them from time to time, by sending them emails, and they were very particular in replying to the emails, and the communication was really good. In particular, I would like to express my gratitude to the office staff and the officers at the Western Regional Office, Mumbai, for their ready help from time to time and necessary guidance through their fast and timely communication in connection with the conduction of this program. I am also grateful to our director of the institute, Dr. Dhiren Patel, and all the administrative authorities of our institute for encouraging and supporting this faculty development program. Smooth conduct of the event would not have been possible without VJTI's excellent Google platform, which they have made available to us for this particular purpose. I also thank my head of the department, Dr. Taide, and my colleagues in the department, including Professor Tembare, who happens to be one of the participants for this course, and all the staff of the department for their support and help. I cannot forget the help provided by my MTech and PhD candidates in making this program a successful event. Particularly, I thank my PhD student, Mr. Sandeep Borauke, for his standby help in recording all the sessions very, very punctually and sincerely. Thank you, Sandeep. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants from all over the country for their interest and enthusiasm in attending AICTE Atal sponsored faculty development program on damage tolerance, a new design strategy.